The role of the retailer is to build displays that work. Some will be product-based, others will be theatrical-based. If you're building theatre displays, you should plan them with the team at least 3 months ahead. A brainstorming session can come up with some good ideas. Then you can look at props, many of which will be around the garden centre, that you can develop. As far as theatre is concerned, it could be a lifestyle statement. It could be a fashion statement based on what colours are in at present. It could be something like Christmas or Easter, or an event in your country that could be used to create a theatre. The important thing is you dare to be different. You've got to create the wow factor. What we've got here is a pole in the garden centre. Our role is to create something that's different, that will catch the customer's eye. So they'll go wow and then want to buy the products that we display there. Building a theatre display doesn't necessarily cost money, but it does need a bit of imagination. So what we've got here is a situation where we've taken some old doors and we've painted them in fashionable colours. We've taken some drapes that are contrasting in colour. Then we've used various props that are around the garden centre. We've used straw bales, wooden boxes, plastic trays, an old table and some concrete blocks to give that height effect. So what we're using is materials to help us dummy up the display so it'll really look effective when we're finished. We've created our theatre display using a colour theme. We've brought some movement in using water. We've also created a triangular effect, which means the eye will be focused in the middle of the triangle. People often say, well, where can we get ideas from for displays? Use what the customers use. Customers are reading garden magazines and women's magazines, and these are full of fashionable ideas that you could actually copy in your own garden centre. So look at these on a regular basis to get some ideas. The key is actually managing this. Every member of your team should know the products on display. The product should be priced. We should be able to tell the story as far as the display is concerned. Take a photograph of it. Put that photograph in a scrapbook. And at the same time, make some notes on what worked and what you would change next time. Because it may be 12 months down the track before you build a similar display. And you need some record so you can improve next time round. So remember, the key is constantly daring to be different. The more of a wow factor you create, the more your customers remember you as the place that's different from the other garden centres.